Hello, this is Christine Halsey. Today we're looking at configuring secure passwords and SSH. The network administrator has asked us to prepare RTA for deployment. Before it can be connected to the network, security measures must be enabled. Okay, so we're going to start by configuring the IP addressing on PCA according to the table. So for PCA, we have an IP address of 192.168.10.2. Subnet mask comes up correctly, and we need the default gateway of 192.168.10.1. Okay, console into RTA from the terminal on PCA. Okay, so from PCA, go into terminal. And we want to configure IP addressing. So we'll have to enable and CompT, and then I can go to the interface G00 and give it the IP address of 192.168.10.1 when the subnet has 255.255.255.0. We'll exit that interface. They want us to give it the host name of RTA, encrypt all plain text passwords, so that's our service password dash encryption. Set a strong secret password of your choosing. So enable secret. It's a secret. And I always write it down so I remember how I put it in. Okay, set the domain name to rta.com. Okay, so we got IP domain dash name rta.com. And they want us to create a username and password. All right, so username Christy, and my password will be Cisco. And again, I write it down just in case. Okay, now they want us to generate 124-bit RSA keys. So to do that, we'll type crypto key generate RSA. Then when prompted, I put in the 1024. It's asking me how many bits. That's where we put in the 1024 bits, and then it generates the RSA keys. Okay, next we want to block anyone for 3 minutes who fails to log in after 4 attempts within a 2-minute time period. Okay, so login block -4 180. So that's how long we'll block them out for. That's 3 minutes. Okay, if their attempts is 4 and it was within 2 minutes, 120 seconds. So login block 4 180 is how long it blocks. Attempts 4 is the number of attempts they've made. Within 120 is the time period that they're restricting it to. Okay, now configure the VTY lines for SSH access and use the local user profiles for authentication. Okay, so we'll go to line VTY 0 to 4, and we want our transport input. I'm trying to type and talk too fast. SSH. And we want login to be local users. Okay, and the last thing they want us to do is save the configuration to RAM. So we'll copy run start, to NVRAM, the non-volatile RAM where it stays when the power is shut down. I have to get out of that mode. I have to get out of that mode. Now I can do it. Okay, we should be done at that point, but it's saying 94, so let me do my check results and see if I skipped something. Oh, duh. Port status. Easy fix. Alright, so I'll go back into configuration mode and back to my G0 interface and do no shut. That's all I was waiting on. I forgot my line status. Now we're 100% complete and we can submit the activity.